Yo, it's Power Plays Palace. We back again. Yeah. It's Power Plays Palace and we back again, man. It's Wednesday morning and man, what a day. So let's get straight down to it, man. So yesterday we were looking for SPY. It's a reclaim long above 739.14 with an entry at 739.20 to 740 with a stop below 737.40. Our targets will be 740.80, 741.40, and 744. On the short side, we were looking for an entry near 738.80. 739.54, entry at 738.80 to 739.50, stop above 741, target 736, 735, and 734. So let's look at what we got here. And this is the pre-market right there. Y'all know I be still on that pre-market. So, all right. So SPY opened up here. And let me get off my 15-minute chart, y'all. You know, you use a bigger time frame, man. You get a lot less candles. So SPY opened up yesterday here at about 734.76. It ran all the way up to 736.30. Then it went all the way down from there to 731.54. Gave a brief pullback first to 733.92, and then it came back down and tested that 731 again. So to me, that's like 3 retests because a lot of people draw boxes for ranges. So that's really the 732 area code. So a lot of people do boxes for ranges. So that's what that is. And so what happened from there though is SPY went from 731 to 737. Now this is 130, and then from there, it dropped all the way back down to 732. So you had some crazy ranges to play with yesterday, and if you can see, I left this on the chart so y'all can see it. Look at my VWAP, and look at my and look at my 9 and my 21-day moving averages. Now you can see here, you got a clear down push here, the 9 crossed over. And then it came down here. You can see the chop zone. Now this range is real short considering everything that happened yesterday. And then look at the bam. Once it crossed, it tried to break back. If you look at the lines, I don't know if you can really see that line. It's above the red line right now. It's retest. You see it. It breaks the VWAP. That candle right there, to me, was a nice read to let me know it could be about to happen because it broke in hell. But we got this strong pushback candle. And right here, and you can see this off the open range breakout box, but you see it. There it is. And most people would enter aggressively probably right here. What they do, a lot of times they'll go down to the 1 minute chart like I just did there. And they'll be watching. They'll be watching for an entry point. Because this is the 1 minute candle, so you got more candles. You can see it come down here. You see the switch starts. But they'll be watching. Some of these people play these 1 minute candles. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. And then you see here, we got a breakout candle. Wait for the retest. Fail retest. That's what it says. That means we thought, but it didn't. Look it up. And it went on through. All right. So that was the chart from yesterday. Let me go back to the 5 minute variety. And since we here, let's take a good look at what's going on this morning. As you can see, SPY started to work its way up pretty early this morning, and it started at 734. It went up here and got to 737. Right now, what's going on is 9 o'clock, 10 minutes, almost 20 minutes to the market open. I can see a small little reversal happening. A lot of times we would consider these a golden cross necessarily when the moving averages both cross below the VWAP at the same time. And that is usually a good sign if you're going to be buying in the direction that that's happening. So I'm going to be very careful on this one. All right, so let's look at the chart for today. A lot of talking on that one. So for today, what we'll be looking for is SPY to reclaim long above 737.63, entry at 737.80, the 737.40, stop below 736. Targets being 739.50, 741.40, and 743.80. With a rejection short, if it doesn't push past the pre-market high in that area, we're looking for entry 737.20, 738. Stop above 739.50. Target 735.50, 734.16, and 732.50. And that's with that. And that's for the SPY. So that's where we are right now, and those are the levels for today. And as you can see from the pre-market, it worked its way up and started to kind of work its way down right now. So we'll see what happens. But that's our plan for today. Do not deviate from your plan. Stay disciplined. If you take a losing trade, man, you know, try it again and go for another one, man. But other in the meantime, let's do this. Let's have a good time. Let's trade, be safe, have fun, and get up in power plays, man. If anything I say in the video help you, like, share, and subscribe, man. Let's go from there. Power Plays Palace, man. We out today. We out. Y'all get it in. Get your trade in.